projects that have Skynet for Business, so there's kind of two aspects to Skynet. There's the community platform, which we're on right now, and then projects also have the ability to activate Skynet more at the business level. And so what that does is when projects activate Skynet, it offers them real-time security monitoring by our 24/7 monitoring system, so they can get kind of alerts and backend information. But then two, it shows an additional layer of depth in terms of like all the data insights. So a lot of the data that you do see on these tabs is feeding into the overall security score into different variables. And I can just kind of run down the list. So the first one is the code audit history. It's pretty similar as before, where you can review the project's audit coverage. You can see the audit results, and you can kind of dive into more detail to see, you know, what took place. And this is only the case if the project's been audited by CertiK. As you mentioned, there are non-CertiK audited projects, and those won't have any of this available either. Moving down a little bit more, we have price analysis. So this is a pretty advanced version of TradingView embedded with some unique CertiK data. So for example, you know, you're able to chart things such as unique token transfers, number of unique active users, security score, overlay that with price, and then analyze, you know, how does that change over time, any of those kind of adjustments.